Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset screen time in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reset screen time on an iPhone, all you need to do is turn off the screen time reporting. To do this, go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Then if you click on see all app and website activity, then you should have access to your screen time reporting here. Now, to reset all of this, scroll down on the screen time page, locate turn off app and website activity, and then click on it. Now, type in your iPhone screen time passcode. Then click on turn off app and website activity, and you should see screen time will no longer be reported. All limits and down settings will be turned off. Click on turn off app and website activity. Now, if you go up, then you should see your screen time report reset. To bring it back again, go ahead and turn on app and website activity under limit usage. And then you should see fresh report like this. You see that? So everything is gone and I can now start reporting the fresh screen time. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to reset screen time in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.